this is the last example. So the last example is given here. The B4, figure B4, show two operational amplifiers used for non-linear application circuit. It's non-linear application circuit. So it's clearly stated here. This is non-linear application circuit. Okay. So determine the question is determine the reference voltage for both OA1 and OA2. OM1 and OM2. So OM1, there is no feedback, positive feedback. So this is a comparator. So comparator, the transition point or reference voltage, there is a reference voltage, V reference, and the reference voltage is V plus. Okay, for the OM2, there is a positive feedback from the output to the positive feedback here. So this is Smith trigger. Okay, so Smith trigger has two reference point or two transition point, VUTP and VLTP. Okay, VTP and VLTP is calculated from the V plus equation. Okay, let's calculate the reference voltage. We start with the comparator first. In the comparator, the calculation of your V plus. So V plus here is equal to V4. And V4, since there is no current here, so this is current equal to 0. So V4 can be calculated using the voltage divider. So this is 1K over 1K plus 1K times the DC source is 10. So this is 5 volt. Okay, so this is your V reference is equal to 5 volt. Okay, so this answer for the OM1. For OM2, this is Smith trigger. You need to calculate the VTP and VLTP. VTP and VLTP is calculated from the V plus equation. So V plus can derive using the KCL. So this is your I1 and this is your I2. Okay, I1 plus I2 equal to 0. So I1 is 5 minus V plus over 1K plus I2 is V out 2 minus V plus over 1K equal to 0. So this is 5 plus V out 2 minus 2V plus equal to 0. So V plus is equal to 5 plus V out 2 over 2. Equation for V plus. Okay. I've mentioned a lot of time that VUTP, what is VTP? VUTP is VUTP is the V plus where the V out is equal to plus VCC. Okay, so means that the VUTP is 5 plus the V out is the maximum here is 15 plus 15 over 2. So this is 20 over 2 is 10 volt. So this is your VUTP. For VLTP is a V plus when the V out is equal to minus VCC. So this is 5 minus 15 over 2. So this is 10 over 2 equal to minus 5 volt. Okay, so you have, this is the answer for the first question. Okay, second question is analyze the response for both OM1 and OM2 with the noisy analog input signal shown in the figure B4. Assume that the output is initially at the 15 volt. Illustrate the output voltage for both operational amplifier provided in the Appendix C. So this is the input. Let's say consider the input signal is noisy. This is a noisy signal. So you need to draw the output for the OM1 comparator and OM2 Smith trigger. So we do it one by one. So this is the we use this slide. to analyze the output of the op-amp 1. Okay, so since the graph is already given, so you just need to start your analysis by drawing the reference point. So reference point for the reference voltage for the op-amp we have calculated in the previous question is a 5 volt. For 5 volt is your reference voltage. So you just here, this is your reference voltage. Okay, this is your V reference. Okay, for comparator, it's important for you to identify whether the reference voltage is at V plus or V minus. Okay, the reference voltage here is at the V plus. Reference voltage is at the V plus, so means that your input is at V minus. Okay, so once you identify that, you can analyze whether which part in the graph is where the V plus is larger than V minus or otherwise. Okay, for example, so this part is where your input, the V minus, is lower than V plus, or this is V plus is larger than V minus. So when V plus is larger than V minus, okay, so the output voltage here, when V plus is larger than V minus, so the output voltage, the comparator will give you plus VCC. So what is your plus VCC? Plus VCC is 15 volt. Okay, 15 volt. So this is plus VCC. Okay. Oh, same with this region as well as this region. So this is your until this point. Okay, so as well as this. Okay, this also at the high value. Okay, in this region, this is where your V minus is larger than V plus, or V plus is lesser than V minus. So as well as this point is also. So here at this time region, so V out will give you the minus VCC, which is a minus 15. Minus 15, and this is your minus 15. So you can complete your waveform to draw the vertical line. Okay, so this is the answer for the output waveform of M1. Okay. For op-amp2, it is a Smith trigger. So you need to draw the VUTP and VLTP. So VUTP, we have calculated the VUTP is 10 volt, VLTP is minus 5. So 10 volt is your VUTP. So VUTP is your 10 volt. So this is your VUTP. VLTP is minus 5 volt. So this is VLTP. Okay. So for the switch trigger, usually we start drawing the output. So you need to know the initial voltage, output voltage. It is given in the question. The initial output voltage is 15, which is the plus VCC. So 15, so you trace along the input. You trace along the input waveform. So you find the next VUTP because your present output voltage is plus VCC. So this is the first VUTP. And then at this point it will switch to the minus VCC, which is minus 15. Okay, and then it's minus 15. Okay, and then you trace along the input. The next because since now the Vout is minus VCC, so your next transition point is VUTP. So VUTP is here. So this is where the transition happen. Okay, so here, and then now your Vout is plus VCC. So you need to find the next VUTP. Next VUTP is here. Okay, now you are at the Vout is minus. So your next okay, now you are here. So actually your next VLTP is here. Okay. So I need to correct this one. Okay, and then you write down it because from this point you will not meet any VUTP. So that's it. This is the output waveform for the second op amp, which is a Smith trigger.